Welcome, beautiful soul. You are here because you are ready to shift the reality of your connection. Before we begin, I have a secret to share. The person you are thinking of is already feeling your absence. And by the end of these 5 minutes, their subconscious resistance will melt, replaced by a realization so strong they will have no choice but to confess it. They are realizing right now that they simply cannot imagine a future where you aren't by their side. Now sit or lie down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you breathe, feel the world around you fade away. There is only this moment. There is only your power. Now imagine a soft pink light at the top of your head. It moves down, relaxing your eyes, your jaw, your shoulders. You are now entering the void state, the place where all manifestations are born. Now I want you to feel a shift and think of the person you desire. Instead of feeling the want for them, feel the knowing that they belong to you. Feel the shift from wanting to being. You are the prize. You are the sun, and they are the planet orbiting your warmth. Now visualize them sitting alone in a quiet room. They are thinking of you. See the look of realization on their face. They are scrolling through your photos, or perhaps just replaying the sound of your laugh in their head. Hear these words as if they are whispering them to themselves about you. Let them sink into your DNA. Your energy is the only thing that feels like home to me. I try to move on, but every path leads back to you. The thought of life without you feels empty and cold. I am ready to confess how much I truly need you. You are the missing piece I never knew I was looking for. Now visualize them picking up their phone, their thumbs hovering over the keyboard, heart racing, ready to tell you exactly how they feel. Feel the relief. It is done. The confession is coming because the energy has already shifted. You don't need to chase. You only need to remain in this frequency of being cherished. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And carry this knowing with you throughout your day. Type I am irreplaceable in the comments below to claim this energy and lock in your manifestation. And if you feel the urge to speed up this process and make them crave your presence even more intensely, I have something for you. Visit my website, joybyjanell.com, right now. I've put together a free obsession spell specifically designed to manifest them faster and remove any final blocks between you. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. I'll see you in the next meditation.